So now you have a topic, which could be, for instance, innovation or idea generation in the innovation process. So now it is about asking a research question that is even more pointed, more specific than your research topic. What is it that you want to find out exactly? Let's narrow this down. Also, let's add one further requirement, a very important requirement. And that is to actually find a research gap. Because say I'm interested in the idea generation process for innovation in a large organization. This doesn't necessarily mean that there is no research about that, right? Maybe there are books about the topic already written and it's pretty clear what helps and what probably does not help. Okay, so that question could be answered by doing a little literature review, which makes it not a bad question but it's not a question that's useful for your thesis. Try to find something that is novel for research, and usually you can do this by making it more specific. Maybe introduce a new variable. For instance, you're not interested in idea generation process in general, but in the idea generation process among multi-regional teams, how to facilitate it, something like that. Or what is the effect of leadership on the generation of ideas? Just bring in a new variable that will make the context a bit more specific. That is usually something that helps a lot. Also, if you have your draft of your question ready, try to see what are the key concepts here. So in this example from above, if my question would be something like, how does leadership influence idea generation process? Then we would have idea generation as one concept and leadership would be a second. And my research question is basically asking about the relationship between those two. And then for each of those concepts, be sure to clearly describe what you mean. So in this example, what does leadership mean? Is there a specific leadership theory that you already have in mind maybe? What does idea generation mean? Is there a specific definition of the concept, a specific theory in the back of your head that you would like to use? Just be as specific as possible.